Hi, so my clientele that I was giving was to have a salt and seasoning dry rub business. And my clients have been a business that has been going on for generations and years. They are African American family who have came up with their own seasoning recipes and just want to share with everyone else so that it could be more affordable and reasonable for them. So for the research for my project, Home Touch is a gourmet salt and dry rub business who takes pride in different flavors of salt and dry rubs. The business was started by this black-owned family and continued through generations. Their goal is to be able to have affordable seasonings and dry rubs for everyone. This business was built on family and the sense of warmth. The audience for this product may include but not limited to chefs, middle-aged adults, or people who enjoy cooking. The competitors for my clients are Schultz, McCormick, and Gustavus Vitae. I am not sure if I'm saying that name right. The logo that has been created looks minimal and speaks for the identity of my clients. My competitors have used less colors and kept it limited to typography. We have decided that with Home Touch we would use more colors and include vector graphics to engage our audience. McCormick, Gourmet, Schultz, and Gustavus Vitae, these are their current logos for their salts, dry rubs, and seasonings. Once again, this is my original logo. This was the color palette that I chose because it spoke more to the tones. When I thought about those colors, I thought about seasonings, and I wanted the words to seem almost like friendly and welcoming when you're reading it, and almost as easy to see. Like when you see it, you know what it is and you know where that brand belongs to. The color palette I chose to keep it to red and green. The typography I used was also Veranda because I wanted it to keep it simple. Also, I also use marker tip, but I didn't write it. But I also use marker tip for the logo. Yeah. Some do's are: the logo is a staple mark for my product and should only be used respectfully. The bottom left circular Home Touch should only be used when given like black background or needs to not be transparent, maybe even stickers. The top Home Touch on the right side should only be used for dry seasonings such as cayenne or other Thai or curry type of seasoning. I use complementary colors such as red and green once again, with a lighter green surrounded the Home Touch for like parsley. Can be used but not limited to only use for more like parsley flavors of seasoning, dry rubs, and so on. Some don'ts for my product, for my logo identity, you're not allowed to put the graphics at the bottom of the Home Touch with the phrase "a dash of family spices" on top. Home Touch should only be in white marker felt, 6.3 point, not black at any point or any other color. The vector design should not be in any other color such as green, yellow, or any light green, blues, yellows, purple, pink. Any absurd colors like that should only be what has been accepted or given or allowed to be used. And these are the collaterals for my design. My logo was placed on salt bottles and seasoning bottles, and yeah. Also, this is what it would look like on an apron, on a grayish apron, and it should only be used in this manner. Thank you.